Hello from the Gurtam hardware department. Today, we're going to talk about the basic setup of the Galileosky 7.0 device. This video will show how to connect the device to Wialon. Here is what you will need: the Galileosky 7.0 tracker, a clip to open the SIM slot, a SIM card, a cable for connecting the tracker to a computer, and 12 volts to power the tracker. In our case, the power source. First, using a clip, open the tracker SIM slot and install the SIM card in the tracker. Galileosky 7.0 allows for the installation of 2 SIM cards. Next, connect external power to the tracker. Please ensure that the light of the device is on. Connect the device to the computer with a mini USB to USB cable. Now, open the Galileosky configurator. You can download it on the manufacturer's website, and the website link is in the video description. Please wait for the configurator to read the current device settings. Before starting the direct tracker configuration, let's create a unit in Wialon. Copy the IMEI field information from the device section on the configurator main page. Log into your Wialon account and go to the Units tab. Click the Create button. Enter the unit name, Galileosky 7.0 as in our case, and select the device in the appropriate field. After selecting the device type, the server address field will be filled in automatically. This field displays the IP and port to which the device should be directed. Please memorize or write down this data. In the Unique ID field, paste the device IMEI copied earlier. Click the OK button. Now the unit has been created in Wialon, and we can return to the device setup. In the configurator, open the Settings field, then Data Transmission. Next, use the data from the server address field from Wialon to fill in the primary data server fields. This is where you need to enter the server's IP address, 193.193.165.165 in our case. In the port field, enter the required port 21423 for Galileosky 7.0. Now, let's turn to the access point section. Since we are not sure which SIM slot the SIM card was installed in, and do not plan to use 2 SIM cards, we will enter APN for both SIM cards. Please check with your GSM provider to know the APN of the SIM card you use. After filling in the appropriate fields, click the Apply button to save the changes on the device. Now let's move to the Protocol tab. Here, you can configure the number of parameters transmitted from the device. But in the case of the basic configuration, you may leave this tab unchanged. The next tab you need to go to is Track. Here, you can configure the conditions and frequency of sending messages. Also, you may leave this tab unchanged for a basic setup. Now open Wialon, go to the Monitoring tab, and you will see that the device is successfully connected to the system. For more information on the tracker setup, please read the user manual. You can find a link to it in the video description. Thank you for watching this video. If you still have questions about connecting the Galileosky 7.0 tracker to Wialon, send an email to hw@gurtam.com. at Gurtam.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the Gurtam YouTube channel, where you can find new videos about telematics hardware and Wialon. See you online.